Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board certified periodontist and a dental specialist specializing in dental implants, including all-on-4 dental implants. My patients and the people that I meet ask me all the time, hey, well, I have dental implants, I have all-on-4, but how do I maintain it? Nobody ever told me. As gum specialists, we are not only specializing in placing dental implants, our goal is to be able to help these patients keep their investment and protect their investment. So we are always concerned about how we can help these patients. They can maintain these implants and not only just for a short period of time, but they are going to maintain and protect their investment for the rest of their life. Well, think about this. When you buy a car, whether it is a used car or a new car, you don't drive the car with not going for oil changes and not taking them to the dealership on a regular basis, whether it comes to the 3 months oil changes or when it comes to 30, 60, 90,000 major tune-up that you need to have. So just like anything in our life needs some kind of a maintenance, these dental implants need maintenance also. The great thing about the dental implants is you're not going to get a cavity because they are metal. You don't need a root canal because they are metal. However, you can get some gum disease around them. So if you let your gums kind of get infected, and you're going to end up losing your investment. So the easy way to maintain the implants is come and see us anytime you come see us every 3 months. So just like we talked about the oil changes, right? So you come see us whenever you get an all-on-4. Come see us every 3 months, and when you come to see us, we were going to clean around the gum tissue, and also at times that we may be able to take the prosthesis that you have, the complete set of teeth that you have on the on the implant. We are going to take them out, clean around the implant, and put them back, and that way you get the professional cleaning done and you get to maintain them for the rest of your life. And also we are going to give you the tips and tricks how you can maintain those implants at home using brushing, flossing, water pick, and other special tools that we can give you. So next time at your dentist, talk to them about how you can maintain your all-on-4 dental implants, or if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, come by and see us, and we are happy to help.